Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to use a yarn winder. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a yarn winder. So to begin, I get questions about my yarn winder all the time. My yarn winder is from Knit Picks, and I will have their website listed down below. But I got my yarn winder through Amazon originally. So I also made a list of Amazon favorites, and I have a list full of yarn winders that I will also have listed down below, so you can check into which one would fit you best. But this is the one that I have, so we're going to go over the different aspects of the yarn winder. So to begin, the top of it, you're going to add the yarn tail right here. You're going to put it through here, and then it's going to attach to this spot right here. And then you're going to have the other end of the yarn through this little metal loop right here, and I am going to go through that later on. I'm just telling you about the different aspects right now. And this is how you are going to wind it. So right here, this is where you're going to wind. And then down here is where you're going to attach it to the table because you don't want it to move while you're winding. So now I'm going to show you how you can attach it to the table. So you're going to need the edge of a table, and this is my table that I use for filming. I can also have it listed down below if anyone is interested. I also got it from Amazon. The sides of my table actually fold down so I can put it away when need be. That way it's not always out. But I'm going to be attaching my yarn winder to the table. So the edge of my table is going to go through here. This little part of the yarn winder moves up and down depending on how wide your table is. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it through the edge. Just like that. And take you guys off my phone stand so you can see that it is attached right there. I put the table through, and then here you can make it tighter or looser, so you can put it on and off the table and make it tighter. That way when you're winding, it doesn't fly off the table. Now that I have my yarn winder on the table, I'm ready to attach my yarn. I did want to let you guys know that this yarn winder can hold up to 1 pound of yarn on it. I'm sure there are different yarn winders that can hold more or less, depending on which one you get, but that is the one that I have. It holds 1 pound of yarn. So I'm going to bring in my yarn. I have the end of my yarn, and you're going to put it through this loop right here. So you can just take it and put it through both. And then you're going to attach the yarn into these indentions right here through both of them. Leave a little bit of a tail. You don't want to leave too much where it's going to get caught down here or anything, just a little bit. And then you can hold on to your yarn when you start winding. If you don't, the cake is going to be very loose. So you do want to hold on to your yarn so the cake can get a little bit denser. If it's loose, it squishes down. It doesn't stay in its form. So you're going to hold on to the yarn where your skein is, and then you're going to start winding. And then it's going to start making your cake. And you can see that it's winding around here, and it's going to get bigger and bigger until I use all of this up to make a cake on here. So that is going to be the very basics on how to use a yarn winder. I have a very beginner-friendly yarn winder, and I have this exact one listed down below, as well as my Amazon favorites list of all the yarn winders I have on there. If you guys have any more questions for me on how to use a yarn winder, please leave them down below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.